King Tolentino, welcome back to my channel. Today I will review this weird looking mouse. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Let's go! I bought the Logitech MX Vertical Mouse because of my severe wrist pain. Apparently, the reason is the prolonged and repetitive use of mouse. On a daily basis, I use it around 8 to 10 hours. At first, the discomfort on my wrist was tolerable, but it keeps getting worse. I did a research and found out that ergonomics mouse can ease wrist pain or prevent from developing carpal tunnel. With that, I went on a deep dive to look for the best product. Bought this mouse because of the design. The 57-degree angle promotes a neutral handshake position. This lessens the pressure on the wrist, elbows, and shoulders. Been using this mouse for more than 2 weeks and my wrist is already pain-free. The downside is that it is not cheap. If you're asking how I bought this one without touching my savings account, watch my previous video. I've shared one of my sidelines. Now, who should buy this mouse? This is for those who uses their computer on a regular basis and prolonged period. And for those who are already experiencing wrist pain. If you're interested in buying one, link below. For casual PC users, just stick with your regular mouse. That's it. See you on my next video. Peace.